Your mom?
Yeah, it's juicy.
That's the problem to all of this. Hey guys, it's RaceCarRichie. I'm back with my car. So what we're going to be doing today is
Your mom?
I'm going to be taking off the external wastegate so I can go ahead and change the spring in there, which I have a 7-pound spring. I'm going to be putting in about a 15 to 18-pound spring. That's going to be my boost limit for when I launch the car. Doing some ECU stuff to the tune of it, and also setting up anti-lag. So hopefully today we can get some bang bang pop pops. Hey Brian, what are you doing? Brian just got here with some gasoline because we needed gas and he had an extra 5 gallons of 85.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up.
All right, so we got the wastegate out. We're gonna pop out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and the spring is inside of here, and then we're gonna go ahead and put an upgraded spring in there.
I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open.
See if you can twist that one off. All right, so we got a red spring, a green spring, this spring, yellow spring. The red spring is 4, green spring is 6, and the yellow spring is also 6. So you can basically put them all together if you wanted to get your desired boost pressure. All right, so we're gonna use all 3 of these. So we got a 6, and then
Your mom?
the red is a 4. So it's going to be 16 psi base boost pressure.
I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion. Rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking. Reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost.
So what we're trying to do is we're trying to push up the external wastegate, and it's really hard to compress that spring because there is a little bit of a gap that you have to press. It's called the firing ring, and it has to go in about 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/8 of an inch, but you have to move it up that much to get the clamp on, and we're scratching our heads at it, so we'll figure it out. Don't worry.
Never at home, need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't.
God dang it. That was harder to put in than that time I was with
Your mom?
Alright, we're just tightening up the exhaust now. That's the last part. Then we're going to go ahead and give it a fire up and maybe mess around with some ignition. On the ignition box, I want to do negative like 10, 20 degrees for spool up, and we'll see what happens.
Can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
Now it's much easier to close.
Your mom?
Alright guys, we're just getting out of here now. I hope you enjoyed this quick video of how to change springs in an external wastegate and struggle on your hands and knees while staring at our we're gonna be doing some more projects on Brian's car down the road, and I believe that's pretty much it. So
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being broken. I hate being broken. crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let
Your mom?
Yeah, it's juicy.
That's the problem to all of this.
to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go.